So just taking a quick look at Chainlink then on our daily time frame here for another daily update on the channel. As always, before we begin, please do go down below and sign up to BITUNIX. They're giving you a 30% bonus if you deposit and trade on their platform. Deposit $1,000 and trade to receive a $300 bonus instantly. Really a good way to trade the markets and get some free money. Tons of free money down below in the description, so please do go and get involved in that. As we can see then, looking like the market's at the minute looking quite disrespectful and starting to move bearish. We can see Bitcoin come up and get a massive rejection out of this big daily fair value gap here. As you can see, this BPR, which is two fair value gaps stacked on top of each other. As you can see, this area, a big area of resistance. We've come down and respected this twice now. We did bounce out of this lower daily fair value gap, but obviously if Bitcoin continues to reject these big price distribution arrays, and we're probably going to continue down if we keep respecting these bearishly. Probably going to come down towards this 50% area if I had to guess. Below 100k for a bounce, that would be really nice in terms of Bitcoin has done this pretty much every single impulse to the upside in this cycle. Impulse 50% retrace, impulse 50% retrace. The impulse, this one was a 30% retrace. That's the only one that wasn't a 50%. Impulse 50% retrace, impulse 50% retrace, impulse, and I'd be looking for that 50% retrace again now, if I'm being honest, after such a long period of consolidation. One more sweep towards the lows, get down into discount for Bitcoin and then bounce. This means for Chainlink that obviously we're in a bit of a weird spot right now. Chainlink kind of outperforming most altcoins, but still really, you could argue, has just been going sideways for years here in a bit of a range. Looking stronger than most altcoins, as I said, but still looking a little bit weak compared to the likes of Ethereum, etc. But you can see Chainlink here very simply has just been coming. We came down, rejected this daily fair value gap, came back down, tapped this fair value gap again and rejected, and we're probably going to get some more downside if Bitcoin leads the market down. Really not much to it apart from that, guys, if I'm being completely honest. If we take a look at our 4-hour time frame here, you can see I've obviously drawn in some of these 4-hour fair value gaps. We did get a nice 1-for-1 trade on this one, but you can see once we tapped into this higher 4-hour fair value gap and that daily, we pretty much rejected straight away, just in line with what Bitcoin's done. You can see Bitcoin here has created another 4-hour BPR here. This is two fair value gaps stacked on top of each other. This is going to be really strong resistance. I think if we'll probably come down, in my opinion, we'll sweep out this liquidity, come down, tap this, and then go lower if I had to guess, because this is very strong. Just like the daily BPR here, this 4-hour BPR will be a very strong area of price where it's going to be very tough to break. As a result, Chainlink probably going to go lower like the rest of the crypto market in the short term. But that's great if you're a long-term investor like me, because it just means you can continue to buy at cheaper prices, knowing that in the long term, most things are going to go up. And I'm pretty happy about it. So let's see what happens next. As always, guys, thanks a lot for watching. Please do like, subscribe, leave a comment down below. Let me know your thoughts. Check back every day for a quick daily update and get some free money in the description below. Cheers.